Hi everybody. So we're going to the Art Feast topic in Google Classroom. And then we're going to go to the first assignment under that. And we're going to click right here. And you're going to download this. Once you download that, I want you to go to Adobe Illustrator. And I want you to go to File, New. I want you to pick Print. I want it to be on inches. I want you to do, so it's going to be on 1 when you open. I want you to make it 3. And I want it landscape. And I want it CMYK, high resolution, 300 pixels per inch, and on default. And I want you to click create. Once you do that, I want you to go to your properties palette on the right hand side. And before you do that, I want you to go and make sure that right here, your workspace is on Essentials Classic. You can also go to Window, Workspace, and make sure it's on Essentials Classic. So that's 2 ways to make sure. Once you do that, you're going to go to your Properties palette. And in case you're like this and you don't see it, it's right here. You click it, it's right here. You're going to go to Edit Artboards. You're going to go to Rearrange All. You're going to put the layout on Arrange by Rows. You're going to keep everything else the same, and you're going to click OK. Once you do that and everything's set, you're going to click Exit right where the artboard is, and now you're able to edit. So now what we're going to do is we are going to click our first artboard with our selection tool, black arrow, and I'm going to press Command 0. And now I have it at full, taking up my whole window. All right. So now what I want to do is I want to go to File and Place, and I want to find that image that I downloaded. So we're going to take that image, the 360 image, and we're going to place it in. I'm going to hold Shift, and I'm going to pull the corner to blow it up a little bit for us. Okay, just like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Image Trace. I'm going to leave it on the default for right now. I'm going to click Expand. I'm going to go to Object, Ungroup. Now when I click off, I'm still on my selection tool. I'm just going to click and drag right here. Doesn't matter where you do it. This is the easiest spot. And you're going to see that there's this like blue line that gets highlighted. We're going to click Delete. It's all the extra stuff from when we made it into vector art. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start deleting all of these other pieces that I don't need. All right, so I'm going to start deleting. And we're just going to get a portion of this so that we can use for our design. All right, so I'm just, if you see what I'm doing, I am just deleting everything that I don't need. And we're going to click down here and we're going to press delete. So now we have this, and we are going to use this to create our color scheme. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the assignment. And if you can see, there's a 70s color palette link here. You're going to click it and you're going to find one that you like. And we are just going to take it and we're going to just basically do a screenshot of it so we could bring it into the software. Okay. And I think I'm going to go with 70s. Let's pick 70s retro. So I'm just going to hold Shift Command 4. I'm just going to go here. I'm just going to take a screenshot of it. It's going to go down to my desktop. Just click Done. Then we're going to go back to our Illustrator. And we're going to bring in now, we're going to go to File, Place. And I'm going to bring in that image from my desktop of the color palette. All right. And I'm going to pick 4 colors to use for this. So I'm going to create 4 boxes. And I'm just going to, I'm just using my rectangle tool. I'm just press Command C, Command V. We got these. And we're just going to do this one more time. Command C, Command V. And we're going to have 4 boxes here. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my toolbar and I'm going to click. First, I'm going to click my selection tool. I'm going to highlight the first box. I'm going to click my eyedropper tool and I'm going to pick my first color. Then I'm going to go again. I'm going to pick my second box, eyedropper, pick my second color. I'm going to do this for all the boxes. Almost done. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I could delete this. And if we go over here, our swatches palette, if it's not open, just go to Window and then go all the way down to Swatches just to make sure it's there. This is your swatches palette. You're now going to highlight with your selection tool, your black arrow. You're going to highlight all 4 squares. And then you're going to go right here to New Swatch Group. I'm going to call this 70s. And it's going to be selected artwork as we have selected here. And we're going to click OK. And now you see our colors are right here for us. So I could delete all 4 of those boxes. I'm now going to take my selection tool and I'm going to go and start choosing and making my pattern with the colors. All right, so if you see here, I'm just going in, choosing my colors. All right. And we're just going to do this again. And this. And then this. Okay. So now that we have all the colors set up for us, now what we want to do is we just want to click and drag over it. On our keyboard, we're going to press Command G to group. All right. And now I'm going to go to Object. And I'm going to go to Repeat and Options. Repeat. This went away. Give me 1 second. Repeat. And then we're going to go to Options. Once we do that, we're going to go to Grid. And we're going to make sure the grid type's here. And then we're going to go and we're going to flip the rows and we're going to flip the columns. We're going to click OK. Now we're going to go back up to Object. And we're going to go to Repeat. And we're going to go to Grid. Now we have it right here for us where we can pull down. And we have our pattern that we created. So your goal is to create your own patterns or your own 70s color themes. And you have to do 3 of those. Okay?